I read once in some paper that although certain things are fixed and destined according to the previous karmic activities, this verse in the Bhagavatam explains that in first canto, chapter 8, verse 26. Janmaishvarya Shruta Shribir Edamana Madapaman Naivarhat Yavidatum Vai Tomakinchana Gocharam. And it says, Kunti is praying to Krishna, "Oh Krishna, you can easily be approached only by those who are materially exhausted, akinchana gocharam. One who is on the path of material progress, trying to improve himself with respectable parentage, great opulence, high education, bodily beauty, cannot approach you with sincere feeling." So our Gurudev, Srila Prabhupada, he would often quote Kunti's stuti, Kunti Maharani stuti, or Kunti Maharani Vandanam, by saying this first line, Janmaishvarya Shruta Shrivir. These are acquired assets from karma. We get a particular janam in a particular family, Brahman, Kshatriya, Vaishya, Shudra, Mlech, Yavana, Chandala, Swapacha, dog eater. Then we have a certain amount of Aishvarya, a certain amount of wealth. We're middle class people, rich, wealthy, aristocratic, or poor, or beggars. And then Shruta means Shrotam, or Shruta means ability to hear, literally. But it translates as education. In other words, you have a certain degree of, due to karma, you'll receive so much education or lack of education. Some people never learn how to read or write their whole life. And some people get PhDs and 5 PhDs or something. So that's power from destined power. Then Shri and Bir. So it's Janma, Aishvarya, Shruta, Shri, Bir. So these 5 things come. They're written in the hand also. They're written in the hand, they're written in the forehead, and they can be detected through palmistry or physiognomy, face reading, or through the Janma Kundali, through the Jyotish. Can just discern what type of birth one has taken just by reading their chart. So you're a Brahmin, you're a Kshatriya, you're wealthy, you have a high education. And then Shruta, and then Shri and Bir. Shri means beauty, possession of beauty. So some people, this is due to karma, people are beautiful or ugly. And then Bir means strength. Some people are very powerful physically. They may be beautiful but weak. Some people are also beautiful and very strong bodies and healthy, never get disease or sick. So this is all karmic fruits.